Hi everyone! So today I'm just going to be showing you how to make this super cute Gudetama egg squishy. And this is pretty simple to make and it turns out super adorable. So yeah, let's just get into it. So here I just have a piece of memory foam from a pillow from Walmart, and I'm just going to start off by cutting off the corners so I can start rounding it into more of an egg shape. So to do this, basically just cut off the corners on the top and the bottom so that there are little domes at each end. Okay, so now that it's more round, you can go ahead and start smoothing out all the little bumps you see. Now that it's a little bit more smooth, you can go ahead and focus on making it more egg-shaped. So really make sure that the top is a lot more skinny than the bottom, just so it tapers down a little bit. And also, a lot of you guys asked me how to get your squishies smoother, and honestly, it just comes with a lot of practice. Really sharp scissors. I recommend getting smaller ones or just really sharp ones, that way everything can be smoother. And yeah, basically if you see a bump anywhere on your foam, you just cut it off and smooth it out. And now that the shape is all done, I'm going ahead and painting it with white fabric paint or puffy paint, whichever one you want to call it. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about what supplies I use, and I actually have a video on that, so I'll link that down below. So you just want to cover the entire egg white. Now I'm going in with this yellow-orange color for Gudetama. So I'm just gonna color in the top and make sure you leave the little spikes at the bottom so it looks like Gudetama is popping out of the egg. So now that most of the orange color is on the egg, you can go ahead and start making the little spikes at the bottom. And if you do happen to mess up at this part, which is kind of what I did here, then I'm actually going to have a tip for you on how to fix them in just a little bit. Now I am going back with a second layer of white paint, and this is just to make the squishy smoother. And another cool thing about this is that you can actually go back and fix any of the mistakes you made. So for example, if you accidentally put some of the orange paint in a place that you didn't want it to be, you can just go over with the white paint. So it kind of acts like whiteout. And now that the base layer of paint is done, we can go ahead and start painting on the adorable Gudetama face. So for this, I'm just drawing on his droopy little eyes. And then I am going in and drawing his little mouth. And this is all with black puffy paint. And now I'm just going back in with white paint to color in the mouth. And you can actually also use this white paint as a chance to clean up the lines of the mouth, which is what I am doing here. So yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys make this squishy. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys do decide to make this, definitely tag me in a picture on Instagram or send it to me in a DM. So yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at quietpillows, and yeah, bye!